Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be
Oh
playing
my
Beast Mode.
god! This boost is insane!
This boost is insane. Look at how much honey I'm getting. Just
You should
because.
actually, you should use this new code. It's called 10 million members, but for short, it's 10M members. So use the code 10M members because
And get a free
Beastworm is
thing.
celebrating their 10
Yo,
millionth
yo.
member from the Beastworm Simulator Club. And the
Yo.
boost is insane. On it has gone mad.
The owner has gone mad.
It's on it, not own it. On it.
Really? Doesn't matter
On
if I'm
it.
wrong. The only thing that matters is we're getting honey, Liam.
Oh my, I think I can low another to level 10 with treats again
Yeah.
with this boost. Actually, you know what I'm actually gonna do now?
What?
I'm gonna look for a bee that can turn to level 10. I'm gonna
Really?
spend all my honey on it.
Okay.
Because I can get millions of honey really easily with this awesome boost.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, lads.
I'm gonna find something
Yes, I have
else I
25
can
million
do.
honey now. I have 25 million honey now. Oh, ho, ho, ho,
Oh my
ho.
god. 18 treats and 1 pineapple. Okay, that's good.
What shall I do? I'm leveling up my. Let's go. What? Oh my gosh, I got 8 level 10s?
8 level
Bro,
10s.
that. I got 8 level 10s. Let's go.
I'm going to the blue HQ. Bubble wand. It's so expensive. Liam,
Yeah?
do you have a better stick than bubble wand?
What?
Do you have a better stick than bubble wand?
A bubble wand?
Yeah, do you have better things than it?
You should probably get that one after you get the honey dipper.
Okay.
Or maybe you could get it. You could
Wait,
actually
what?
if you
Buzz, buzz,
if
buzz,
you
buzz, 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 buzz. Gifted Bucko B is speaking and buzzes. Transform to gifted Bukobi. How do I
you have to
gift?
get
How do I
what?
transform the Bukobi or something?
You need to complete 20 science bear quests to get your first
Isn't that easy?
no, it's not. Science bear quests are not easy at all. Like once he asked me to collect actually to, right now he's asking me to collect 330 million pollen, white
How
pollen.
many did you collect?
What?
How many quests did you do from them?
I've done 28.
28?
His quests are absolutely hard.
What about the first one?
The first one, if you're still like a noob, it's gonna be hard. But if you get like a ton of stuff
Guys, I'll show a
before doing them,
secret way to defeat the king beetle. If you
what?
hide right here like this, the king beetle actually can't hit you. And your bees will hit the king beetle by themselves. Just stay in this corner, don't do anything.
Unless you're a pro and you don't want to hide there in that corner, because you literally know that you're gonna wreck him really quick.
Well, it still takes like 5 minutes if you have level like 7 or 6 bees.
Bro. Not a single mark token? Bro.
What's a Mar token?
Eh. Yo. Search it up. Yes. Yes. Coin scanner, baby. Finally, I got my. Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I'm wrecking this king beetle. Oh my
I'm,
god, how is the health going down so fast? It's actually
what
going
level
pretty
are your
faster
bees?
than yesterday, Liam.
It's because your bees are like higher level now.
Oh yeah, I have 2 level 7s, I think.
This boost is actually so good.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but normally I suggest that you don't even need that boost because you're already good.
What?
I suggest you don't need that boost because you're already good.
Yeah, but boosts can help me get a crazy amount of honey, right?
Okay?
Boosts will really help me get a ton of honey.
Okay. This is going faster than normal. No, it's going way faster actually.
No, I ran out of haste.
It's only been like 2 minutes and
How
it's
much honey do you
already at
have?
1,000. 2 minutes equals 1,000 equals 1,000. Wow,
Wait,
like
can you should not waste your boost. Once you kill him, go back to Pineapple Patch so that you can also get a crazy amount of honey, like millions and thousands. Bro, look at this dude. Where's the Vector B? I want to see what the Vector B does.
okay, 600 health, King Beetle. Will
So
I
you've done.
kill it in 3 minutes? Oh my god, this is gonna be epic. I'm actually gonna look
Wait,
at my video
tell
and
me when it's
check.
dead. Tell me when it's dead. I'm gonna put a
I'm
stopwatch.
gonna check how much minute it
How
took
many?
me to kill the
How much
King
health does he
Beetle.
have?
Okay.
How much health does he have?
348. Okay.
What? How much health does he have?
300 about now.
300.
And
Let's see
200
how much.
now. And
Okay, okay.
100 about now. And about 878. Okay, 60, 50. Okay, 0 nearly. Okay, 0.
Okay. So that. So you. It took you 15 seconds to take out a king beetle with 300 health.
Yeah, kind of like 3 minute. Okay.
So basically, if all of your
Wait,
bees
wait,
are
wait,
awake,
wait, 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 wait. I think I could get a new one soon.
how much honey do you have?
Oh, 1,414,000 honey. Wait, wait, vicious bee.
You need. You actually need You need 3,500,000 honey to get a new thing.
What do you mean?
To get a new wand.
No?
You
What do
need
you mean?
3.
I'm gonna check what Liam means.
Oh no. My pony.
I'm gonna get a new
No.
wand soon.
I'm down to 14 million
All
pollens.
I need is all I need is 78,000 more honey. That's not a lot.
It's an epic sprout, baby. Let's go.
Bring back all the memories. And memories, bring back memories, bring back. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!